1,500 naira daily. And if you make use of this platform that I'm about to show you very well, you'll make at least up to 7,000 naira daily. What is Benefix? Benefix is a platform that help individuals like you and I to achieve our financial freedom with the use of social media. Benefix is a platform that can help you to achieve whatever you want. Registration fee for Benefix is just 7,000 naira. This is a one-time payment. Apart from the fact that you will be earning 1,500 naira every day, there's also a game called Wega Pool where you stand the chance to make 50,000 naira weekly. Benefits, you can also monetize your TikTok and Instagram videos. There's also a feature on Benefits called the overrun. Overrun can make you close to 10 to 20,000 naira daily if you use it very well. And there's also a feature on Benefits called the Ultra Box. I feel like I'm saying too much, guys. To be honest with you, this is a new platform, and one thing you need to know about Benefits is the fact that any website that just come out, their own goal is also to make money. If you want to make money from this website, it's better that you're part of the early birds, which means if you should register now, you stand the chance to be part of the early birds, people that they will pay on time. I stand the chance to make as much as 10 million naira if you're serious with this website. You can also earn as high as 6,000 naira just for referring your friend to join Benefits. This is so interesting, and I want you guys to take advantage of this website. If the person you refer also refers someone, you also earn a commission from the person he or she refers, which is your downline referral. Now, if you want to get registered on Benefits, I want you to chat the number I can see on your screen right now, or if you can't see the number, I'm going to drop it in the link in this video description. This number is going to put you through how you can start, how you can register on Benefits, and it's going to teach you exactly step by step how you can earn money on Benefits. Now guys, once you click on the first link you're going to see in this video description, it's going to bring you guys to this website. You want to click on where it says get started. Once you click on get started, it's going to bring you to this interface where you have to put in your full name. So I'm going to put in something random like Ramsey Noah. Then my email, I can put anything. It says select country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria. If you're a foreigner, you can click on here where it says foreigners. Okay, I'm going to click on Nigeria. Then I'll put in my password. I'll put in my phone number. Then I'll put in here where it says coupon code. Now this is where you get confused. Okay, I don't want to get scammed right here. So what I want you to do is to chat the number you can see on your screen right now. Chat the person on WhatsApp. That's gonna be my number. I'm gonna be teaching you guys exactly how you can register. Okay, and apart from the fact that you are registering under me, I'm gonna teach you guys exactly how you can make money. I'm talking about huge amount of money. Okay, because what most people do is they register you, okay, and they don't teach you how you can make money. They don't teach you how you can navigate the website. But I'm gonna teach you all that once you register under me. Okay, now I don't want to register, so I'm quickly gonna sign in. Now I'm signing. This is what your dashboard is gonna look like when you register. It's gonna look like this. Yours might say $0, okay, but mine is saying $6 because I've already joined. They've given me $6, which I can easily withdraw. Now you can see how the website looks like. You can see where it says Wega Pool. You can click on it. You can see you can play games here. These are the benefits of Benefix. If you click on menu, you're gonna see where it says TikTok Pay. You see you can also monetize your TikTok account. You and I know that TikTok don't pay content creators from Nigeria, so this is a very, very good and nice platform for you to utilize. Once you get to 1,000 views on TikTok, these people, they are going to pay you 1,500 naira easily. All you have to do is just put in your TikTok, then put in your total view, then you post your link and you click on proceed. That way you've automatically connected your account to this website called Benefix. Now for more info and for more secrets to make millions of naira from this website, I want you to chat the number you can see on the screen. If you can't see the number, I want you to hit me up on WhatsApp, because I'm going to drop the number in this video description.